Here's our neighbor Barry. He's even attempting to, on a ladder. Barry, you're a little crazy. Oh my God. This is scaring me. He's getting up. You can't get up on your roof like that. Don't do this, Barry. He's going to slip and fall. This is an old guy in his 70s. He's got... Oh my goodness. See how deep he is? He's almost waist deep. This is like, at least 2 feet of snow on a roof. Oh, Barry, just be careful, man. Look at that. Just be careful, buddy. I don't want to have to call there's no way we can put you back together if you fall. Okay?